It's a beautiful fall morning in Zone 6B. This is my raised bed garden for carrots. I'm the Frugal Gardener. It is almost mid-October, and once again, I am late getting my fall garden ready, and it's because it's my first time doing that here on the homestead. And as usual, I have some issues. And I do not have my mini greenhouse anymore since I moved, and this area is not ready. So I have to pivot. I have to improvise. This is the carrots that I started growing a while back. I wanted to designate this area specifically for carrots for the first year, and I am going to have to adjust. I'm going to have to, if I'm going to have anything, any sort of winter garden, I'm going to have to pivot, which is what I'm doing now. These posts you see, I just put in, and the carrots are going to have to learn to share. This is cabbage, and I just put in my first transplant of purple cabbage, which is going to go in here with the carrots, and also red Russian kale. So what I've decided to do is take these, which should have been transplanted weeks ago, for most of them anyway. There's a few smaller ones, but I counted 10. I'm going to first clear these leaves out that have been falling nonstop pretty much. And once I get the leaves out, I'm going to look for the bare spots. Spots like here and here and over there where there's nothing going on. So those are the areas that I'm going to put these purple cabbage. And as always, I'm having issues with the deer. They're relentless now. It's gotten actually worse. So I mentioned these posts, and the purpose of these posts is to hold up this frost cloth, which I just got a few days ago. And this will just drape over the top, but it is not big enough to cover the sides. So because it's so long, once I get it draped over the top, I'll just cut a piece and go around the sides, and this will help keep in the warmth. Right now, I'm good. It's not, the nights have been in the 40s, and that's about to change. It's going to start creeping up into the 50s at night, and even when it does get cold, what I'm planting in here should be fine. It doesn't drop down into the teens usually until around January. Like I said, I'm in 6B. So by the time the temperatures get like super cold, I should be harvesting from this bed here. Now, I have something similar going on over here, which I will do a separate video on. And I'm going to convert this bad boy also. So basically the posts are already in. This is much larger, so it's going to take a little more work, but I have the frost cloth come in for that today. So that's where things are. I have been behind in putting videos out. I also have a little bit of red Russian kale already planted. I'm not going to do a bunch of that here. I think this is one of them here. But like I said, I'm going to get these leaves out of here. I'm going to get these starters over in here. And next stop is going to be this area over there. And I have a couple other things that I need to tend to. So I'm going to get on it right now. It's early. It's going to be in the upper 70s today. So I'm trying to get things done before it warms up. So this is the Frugal Gardener. I'm on the homestead. And remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. I will catch you guys in a few days on the next video. Have a good one.